What's the meaning of Bud Flanagan? Bud Flanagan. Bud Flanagan.
Bud Flanagan. Bud Flanagan. Bud Flanagan was a British actor, comedian, and singer who rose to fame in the 1930s as a member of the musical comedy duo, Flanagan and Allen. Flanagan was known for his unique singing voice and his ability to deliver humorous performances both on stage and on screen. He is best remembered for his work with Flanagan and Allen, which produced many popular hits such as Underneath the Arches and Run, Rabbit, Run. Flanagan continued to work in entertainment until his death in 1968, leaving behind a lasting legacy as one of Britain's most beloved performers.